Hello all, greetings for the day. India is the youngest country with an average age of 29 years. 1 in 4 students are choosing engineering as their profession. As per Statista Research Development, the average hiring of engineering graduates across India stood only at 30%. Why so? Industries are expecting quality professionals at the entry level and requires entry level engineer to hold basic knowledge about the latest industry standards and paradigms. As an entry level engineer, do you face uncertainty at interviews due to unawareness about how an industry functions? And do you face job insecurity due to tough market competition? Yes. Understanding this, we at Lean On Us have designed a certification program molding engineers for industries for mechanical and allied engineering branches, which aids in improving the employability prospect of engineers. The primary outcome of this program is to make engineers aware of basic functioning of industries, key concepts of problem solving techniques, and basics of lean manufacturing system. Dear participants, we at Lean On Us would love to help you in making advancement in your career with this certification program. For more information, kindly contact us in the below shared link. Thank you all. Please stay safe.